when I said that to Susan, she said, you know, Dad looked for 14 years, Jan. And I said, I started asking him, Susan. She said, well, it was my mom, too. And I said, your mom? I said, your mom was a toughie.
Wow.
I don't think she even liked, no, Jan, she really liked you. And so, thanks, Mrs. Hori and Mr. Hori.
So one of the things you mentioned is that you constantly have to go out and clean graffiti that's posted all
the time. You don't see any in this neighborhood, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm always cleaning.
Yeah. That's like a weekly thing, right?
Daily.
Daily? Wow.
I did it yesterday. Mm-hmm. And then I went down that block, here, and then down. But they, and across the street. Mm-hmm. And I paint these. They didn't do a good job. Don't look. Somebody sent me these stamps from Philadelphia.
No way.
Yeah. Because they came out with these stamps this year. It's a real stamp. And you couldn't find any place here. Mm-hmm. But maybe back in Philadelphia it wasn't so...
Oh.
What?
This Jams and Jams. So you're involved with putting this all up.
Yeah.
And this is you, too.
Yeah, and Spike.
Oh, very cool.
I give him the material and he takes the photographs.
Wow.
And people come here, school, it's already started. I mean, kids come by, people come over, the bus loads come out, and they all come here and they stop and they read and they talk and they point and they take pictures. And I thought, what a great opportunity, right? Instead of just doing a mural, I just put all the stories and history out here. Yeah, I got 3 sheets of these. They're forever stamps.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, I thought, how did he get so many? But then they probably didn't have a lot of Japanese back there, right? So it wasn't as popular as here, as this coast. But Mr. McCowan, he was a World War II vet. This is his watch. It doesn't tell time. It looks a little more Art Deco now. But he gave me this. It's a real pass. And it's
Surrender.
at the end of the war, it's double-sided. And it says 2 different things.
And you're saying that's his watch?
Yeah.
Oh, very cool.
And a lot of people didn't know that this was Nihonmachi.
Yeah.
They called it that. It was Japantown. That's what it means. Mm-hmm. And that little flag, there's one in the tea house. That doesn't come with that doll. That's a doll. And Spike blew it up. But that little flag, it's one of those little teeny flags. And Masa at the Kobo store, or Higo, she said that when they were kids, they would stand by parades and wave them. And so she gave me a couple of them.